Good morning, guys. So, our lesson for today is under GC, meaning greatest common factors. Okay. First, under GCF. For the example of finding GCF, first, factor of 8. What are factor of 8? 1 times 8. So, 2 times. So, if you multiply 1 times 8 equals 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. So, next line is 10. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. So, these are the factors of 10. So, first, when we say GCF, the greatest common factors, yung pong dalawa na magkaparehas. Example, first 10, there is no 10, 8, wala, 5, no, 4, wala. So, the greatest common factors of 8 and 10 is 2. So, meaning to say, the GCF of F8 and 10 equals 2. So, class, sana may naintindihan kayo. So, ito po yung example of GCF. Thank you and good luck to everyone.